Hi guys, it's Chuck's back. Just got my 3D printer going again. Didn't have really good success on it originally. My leveling wasn't very good, but for obvious reasons I've had to get it going again. Now I'm making these parts for whoever needs them, pretty much, and I'm getting them off this side here. It's a response to the dreaded not the flu, and I've got this hooked up to here because I could not stick it. I used to use double-sided tape. I tried some blue tack, which didn't really work. So I was standing there last night and I was thinking, what can I do? I'm going to either have to drill through glass, which I really don't want to do, which I did through this one. I used plastic. That was plastic, so I drilled through that. That was fine. That's the CR10. I've got to get that going too. And so I decided to use some neodymium magnets. Now, two neodymium magnets, the light versions will work, the smaller 2.5 drive, but I've pulled these out of a 3.5 drive. I've cut the ends off this one, left the other ends on the other piece, and if you can see that, I've got a screw, cut it off and screwed it into the end of the camera on the end of the piece, and this, you can move it anywhere you want to. It'll just follow, of course. And yeah, that was just a quick, simple thing. And you'll find all these in your hard drives. The hard drives you don't use anymore that just happen to be sitting in an old laptop or an old desktop you've got hanging around. And if you're like me and you can't really go out, you just look for what you've got hanging around. And with me, I've got a fair bit of stuff hanging around. Still doing the batteries, of course. What else am I doing? Oh, let's go and have a quick look at some other stuff I've got to get into. Stripping down this servo, I don't know what parts I'm going to be able to use in it. It's been hanging around here for a while. I thought this tin might be handy for something. It's got a locking device on it. Now, I did find I got this just in time. I've got to set that up. I'm going to use some of these to put it together, and I got hold of, just in time of course, I got a hold of a heap of these lugs from a local distributor here in my hometown, and I got hold of this. I think it's got a bit of dirt on it. I might have to clean that. And it's hydraulic clamping tool. So I've got all these different bits and that, so I've got to sit down and work out which bit is the best bit for this. Never used one of these before. What's it saying down the bottom? So it's eye filtrated net, add eye filtrated net, what the hell? Operation manual. Oh, I'll read it later. I've got to sit down. It's got spare parts for seals, I suppose. That's that, and I need to set this up. If anyone's used one of these, please leave me a comment in the comments below. Can't remember. I got this off of eBay, and I think it was less than 50 bucks. So normally these things are like $100 and something. So it's quite heavy, and I do not have my stand at the moment to use. I've got it over near my printer. So yeah, a fair bit of, oh god. So these are magnetised, I'd say. So I could probably put the other piece in and see what happens. Just for the moment, and see what the go is. That's not moving at all. And off. So in the off position, it will rise, which is a good thing. Hopefully we can get that in. Hold on. Okay, I've got it worked out. I need to pump it like a jack, and it shuts it down slowly, like a jack. So shutting it down, handling, and eventually it'll shut down there. And then once you're finished, you turn it off, so it opens up again. So pretty good. So I just have to find the right bits for the spot welder, so I can get the spot welder going. I've got some extra bits and pieces. They did send this, but I thought this would be too small for my gutsy machine that really does do a really good job. I'm sitting here thinking I want to do other things as well, and there's a lot of stuff online that you can get into. There's it's online that I've been noticing this week. Well, this week I've noticed that there is a open source covert the virus Facebook group, which is designing things to help medical supplies in countries like America and Australia and other places, to help out, which I thought was fantastic. So I joined them, and yeah, there's other things around, but I'm not going to go too deep into it because I think you guys need a bit of a break. I've been stripping down a lot of stuff lately. You remember these? Well, I've got a couple of them, so I'm going to keep those, and probably I might convert my laptop on my desk, which at the moment I've got a dongle on the side for the 5 gigahertz, which is a bit of a sad thing. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope you're all having a great day. Make sure that you all keep safe, and I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'll keep trying to send out some sort of videos from home in the next couple of weeks. I might even take you for a walk around the backyard even. And yeah, all good. Catch ya. Bye.